Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the files you will link, index, HTML and styles, CSS in the same folder because relative paths are simplest and predictable. Once done, open that folder in VS Code so the editor resolves paths and extensions. This also enables IntelliSense. Make sure Live Server is installed for real-time feedback. Now, in index, HTML, add a basic HTML skeleton. This immediate step ensures you have a head section to place the link element correctly. You will add the link element in the head. Link rel equals stylesheet href equals styles. CSS, this tells the browser to fetch and apply your CSS. Once added, save the HTML and create a simple rule in styles. CSS like body font family, Arial, background, #F5, F5, F5. Make sure the href matches the file path exactly, because one misplaced slash or uppercase letter can break the connection. When you save, VS Code shows changes, and Live Server will. You should now open the page with Live Server or the browser to verify styles appear. If they do not, open DevTools and look at Network and Console. 404 indicates a wrong path, while MIME or syntax errors point to file issues. Once you identify the problem, correct the path, file name, or CSS syntax, then save and reload. If caching interferes, perform a hard reload or clear cache. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most invisible changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.